Many believe experience is the key to landing a job, but that's not always true. Employers often value skills, potential, and the right attitude more. Let's explore how you can showcase these in your CV. Highlight your educational achievements and relevant courses. Include any certifications or special training you've completed. Showcase academic projects or research that align with the job you're applying for. Your education can be a powerful tool. By emphasizing relevant courses and projects, you demonstrate your readiness for the role. Don't underestimate the value of your academic journey. Identify skills from volunteering, hobbies, or extracurricular activities. Focus on teamwork, communication, and problem solving. Use examples to demonstrate how you've applied these skills in real-life situations. Transferable skills are your secret weapon. They show adaptability and versatility, making you a valuable candidate. Highlight these skills to stand out in a competitive job market. Your personal profile is your chance to shine. Express your passion for the industry and your career goals. Keep it concise and impactful, highlighting your enthusiasm and commitment. A strong personal profile sets the tone for your CV. It should reflect your personality and aspirations, making a memorable first impression on potential employers. Use strong action verbs to make your achievements stand out. Incorporate industry-specific keywords to pass ATS filters. Ensure your CV is concise and easy to read. Include measurable achievements from projects or side jobs. Highlight any awards or recognitions you've received. Don't forget to mention relevant volunteer work or internships. Achievements speak volumes about your capabilities. By quantifying your successes, you provide tangible evidence of your potential value to employers. For a polished and professional CV, consider using CVMaker's templates and Builder. Our tools offer customizable designs that make it easy to include well-structured references, ensuring your CV stands out and effectively supports your professional story. In conclusion, crafting a CV without experience is about showcasing your skills, education, and potential. By focusing on these elements, you'll stand out and increase your chances of landing that first job.